Hair grows like crazy, no more baldness with just aloe vera. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we always seek natural and healthy methods to take care of ourselves and our families. Today, I'll be sharing with you an unbelievable secret on how to use aloe vera, a miraculous natural ingredient that not only promotes rapid hair growth but also effectively prevents hair loss. First off, we'll start with the first recipe, which is quite easy to make yet yields incredible results. You'll need 150 grams of aloe vera, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of natural honey, and the juice of half a lemon. Aloe vera, with its treasure trove of vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, not only stimulates hair growth but also hydrates and nourishes the scalp, bringing new life to each hair strand. Olive oil, rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, protects hair from damage while enhancing its softness and shine. Honey, with its extraordinary moisturizing ability and antibacterial properties, helps address scalp issues, making the hair soft and glossy. Finally, lemon juice not only cleanses the hair and scalp but also enhances the hair's shine, creating a healthy, vibrant mane. When combined, this formula not only facilitates quick hair growth but also minimizes breakage and enhances the hair's shine. Try this natural hair care method, and you'll notice a difference not only in your hair but also in your spirit, a sense of confidence and happiness knowing you're nourishing yourself in a healthy, natural way. Let's continue exploring the magical power of nature with another special hair nourishment recipe, where aloe vera once again plays a central role, but this time it's enhanced by the presence of hibiscus, flax seeds, water, natural honey, and coconut oil. Each ingredient brings its unique benefits and together creates a powerful mixture that nourishes hair deeply. Hibiscus, not just a beauty for the garden but also for your hair, stimulates hair growth and prevents hair loss thanks to its rich vitamins C and amino acids. Flax seeds, abundant in omega-3, soothe dry and inflamed scalp while providing shine to the hair. Water, a basic but essential component, maintains hydration for the hair and scalp. Natural honey, as known, is an excellent moisturizer, making hair soft and shiny. Lastly, coconut oil, with its ability to penetrate deep into the hair shaft, supplies nutrients and prevents protein loss, making the hair stronger and less prone to breakage. When combined, this recipe creates a miraculous cure for the hair, rejuvenating weak strands, supporting rapid and healthy hair growth. You will notice a significant difference after some time of use. Hair that is not only soft and glossy but also full of life and resilience. But remember, before applying any natural method, make sure you are not allergic to any of the ingredients by conducting a patch test on a small area of skin first. And always consult a doctor before trying out any new treatment. Stay tuned to the video to not miss any step in both of these formulas and discover many more tips to keep your hair healthy from the inside out. Don't forget to like and share this video if you find it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable information. Let's get started. Take care of your hair with love and patience, turning it into an indispensable part of your natural beauty and health.